we're introducing real-time payroll. With most providers, payroll processing can take days, bogged down by endless emails, files, lots of back and forth. Now, with our native payroll engine, everything is on platform in one place, delivering instant gross to net calculations, giving you much more time to make those inevitable last-minute changes. Also, our new unified design provides a seamless user experience across all countries, so you don't need a local expert for each payroll that you run. Unlike competitors that rely on fragmented local partners, Deel is the first global provider with a single unifying engine. No intermediaries, no delays, just fast, accurate payroll with some of the industry's most flexible cutoffs, giving you, the customer, more control and confidence to run payroll on your terms. Today, we're already live in 53 countries, and we're growing fast, bringing our real-time payroll engine to more businesses every quarter, including recent launches in the UK, Brazil, South Africa, Canada, and the UAE. And all of this just in Q1. Our goal is to bring real-time payroll to 130 plus markets as soon as we can. But even in the countries where we haven't launched our engine yet, your payroll is always processed by Deel's internal team, never outsourced, ensuring the highest quality service. In 2024, we rolled out our native payroll engine in the US, along with our PEO through a partnership with Venture. Over the past year, we've seen huge demand for PEO, fueled by our competitive benefits offering and our unique position as a global payroll provider. We're incredibly grateful for our partnership with Venture, which helped us support our customers as we scale. But in keeping with our ethos of bringing everything in-house for a faster and better experience, we're excited to now launch our own in-house PEO, fully managed by our Deel team. Deel will now handle everything directly, so we can move faster, offer better cutoff dates, and provide even more flexibility for those last-minute payroll changes. With Deel's PEO, you can manage onboarding, compliance, and payroll seamlessly, all within the Deel platform. You'll have direct access to our team, lightning-fast support, and zero third-party delays. Plus, you'll get access to even better group benefits through our new highly competitive plans, offering premium healthcare, retirement, and wealth options at industry-leading rates. With Deel's PEO, you can attract and retain top talent by offering big company benefits without the high costs. Want to keep your existing benefits provider? No problem. We'll manage the payroll deductions while your employees keep the benefits they already know and trust. To access our Deel in-house PEO and bring your team together on one platform, book a call with our team today. Finally, onto our last big payroll update. Managing benefits in the US is already complex, but benefits on a global scale, that's at a whole nother level. Every region, whether in Latin America, EMEA, or APAC, has different providers and regulations, making it nearly impossible to provide a seamless experience. It's inefficient for HR teams and extremely frustrating for employees. That's why we're proud to announce Deel's Global Benefits Admin. With Deel's Global Benefits Admin, you can manage benefits at scale for your worldwide team, ensuring a compliant, consistent, and efficient experience across all countries, and all from a single login. As the first in the industry to offer this for EORs, Deel is redefining the way companies provide and administer benefits globally. It's a game changer for HR teams and a much smoother experience for employees, and it will soon be available for all of our payroll product lines. For HR managers, managing a global workforce means providing a rewards package tailored to each market. Now your people team can effortlessly design localized benefits that will attract top talent. With our Ben Admin, configuring, tracking, and managing enrollments is seamless. It syncs with major US carriers for real-time updates and also connects with a diverse range of global providers. When we onboard new hires, we'll invite them to enroll at benefits and show them the plans they're eligible for. They can easily get enrolled through a user-friendly self-service platform, eliminating manual work and multiple systems. What makes Deel's Global Ben Admin unique is its seamless integration with our payroll engine. Each cycle, payroll updates automatically, reflecting the correct deductions and any policy changes that came from the benefits carrier. This eliminates manual uploads, saves a heap of time, and reduces errors. We're rolling out Deel's global Ben admin in phases to ensure you get the best experience. Right now, we're already live EOR and for select local payroll customers in the UK, Spain, and Germany, with many more countries on the way. Starting with fall, US payroll and PEO will be able to manage their open enrollment directly within Deel. This is just the beginning. We're building a single platform globally to manage payroll and benefits, and we're excited to make it a reality.